My name is Alan Spence, and I'm responsible for customer implementation at CoWare. Many of our customers make the decision to move to electronic system virtualization as a result of a problem in one specific design area. Once they decide to move forward, we advise them to examine the other use cases for electronic system virtualization to make sure that when they create their platform and their technology, that they get the broadest possible use out of it. By looking at product specification, architectural development, early software development, verification and post-silicon validation, you can build the most flexible model and platform to use in all those areas, thus greatly reducing the relative investment for creating a platform. The next area that we advise customers to look at is modeling abstraction. If you have a predominantly hardware block that has very little software interaction, it makes much more sense to create a reference stub and just the minimal set of code to have the module work in the platform. Once the modeling strategy is developed, the next level that needs to be considered is project intercept. With the high demand and great deal of pressure to meet market windows, project teams are fully loaded at least, if not overloaded. And you need to consider where to intercept a project to get the highest level of adoption of a platform. And the thing to think about there is to target a new block that will arrive before hardware, where you can get software developers to start using the platform earlier than they would than waiting for hardware. Once you have a project intercept plan, you then need to think about what pieces to build. And our recommendation is to achieve value early and often. By doing this, you can make it much easier to intercept a project and get a smaller, more controllable number of engineers working on the platform with less disruption. As an example, a processor, an interrupt controller, a memory controller is a minimum set needed to boot an operating system, which is traditionally the first element that you would want to get running on your hardware. Finally, once you have rolled out the platform internally, the next thing to think about is your go-to-market strategy. Very likely you are a customer that has customers that could use the virtual platform for their additional software development. By providing this platform, you get much earlier and more effective communication with your customer, and it allows them to develop their software well before hardware arrives. Thank you.